I'm sure everyone is interested in making more money and growing their business. Here are three areas that I think are going to be offering opportunities for growth for technology professionals from the AV and IT side. The first one is something that should be obvious to everyone, and that is broadcast. Now, broadcast is a specialized field, but they do the same thing as AV and IT, which is we get signals from point A to point B. The opportunity that exists for AV and IT professionals is the fact that more and more corporate and education both wants to take ownership of content. They want to create it themselves and they want to distribute it themselves. We are very good at getting signals from A to B. That's not going to be a problem. The complexity arises from the fact that recording content is a completely different ballgame. You need to deal with cameras and treating the color and the color profiles and color chroma, and you also have to deal with SDI. Now, solutions exist, NDI is already here, and there are lots of things that bridge the gap between SDI and IP, as well as other traditional forms of signal transmission. This is definitely something that you should be looking at if you are looking to expand your business and offer something new and in demand to your clients. Number two, esports. Now, whether or not you think esports is a real sport, it doesn't matter. The viewership for esports is growing year on year, and it might soon be an Olympic sport. So, there's a completely new way of putting these events up. There's a completely new way of actually consuming this content because it is available most times on platforms like YouTube and Twitch. And this is all something that is an evolution, I would say, of how entertainment and media has been broadcast and consumed. So esports is something you should check out. There's a lot of opportunity to kind of shape how esport media will be created and consumed. And I think if you are a forward-thinking technology professional, that is something that should be very exciting to you. And last but not least, drones. Now, drones are very popular and you might know them as a consumer device, but they're actually finding a lot of application in the commercial spaces as well. We're seeing the live events industry pick them up and actually use them to create light formations. We're using the content creation industry, use them to help them create better content, get more panoramic shots that are not possible previously. And I personally think there is way more opportunity to think out of the box and bring them into the fold for commercial spaces as well.